In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the socket for your front directional / parking light bulb. With your hood open, if you look from the side of the headlight, you can see that socket right there with the connector. That's exactly the one we're after. So if you reach in here, you can push the connection off. Now typically you'd have a push tab here to unlock it. Mine is broken, so I'm just going to slide the connector off, turn the socket counterclockwise, but from this direction it'll be clockwise because you're looking at it backwards 90 degrees. That'll unlock the bulb with the socket, and you can pull both of these right out. Now you can take the bulb out of your socket. Now take your new socket, and this is a good time to replace your bulb. So grab it, slide it down, make sure it clicks in. Now you want to slide it back into position here. Try to line it up. And I remembered that when I unlocked it, the connector was facing straight down like this. Press it in, turn it clockwise or counterclockwise from the front to lock it in until it stops. It should lock in nicely, and then put the connector back on. Like I said, mine is broken, but typically you want to push it on until you hear it click. For me, I'm just going to make sure it's bottomed out and it's nice and secure. There you go. Now test it out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.